Welcome back to another episode of Daily Interior Design Inspo, your go-to source for affordable and modern interior design tips tailored to spaces in New York City, Westchester, New Jersey, Connecticut, and Washington, D.C. I am your host, Betsy Helmuth, and today we have an exciting lineup of segments that will inspire you to transform your living spaces without breaking the bank. First up, we are diving into a fun and practical shopping challenge. Ever wondered what a professional organizer could do with just $25 at IKEA? Well, wonder no more. We gave Mary Cornetta, a seasoned pro in the organizing industry, $25 and sent her on a mission to find the best organizing products at IKEA. Mary, who has been decluttering and organizing homes for over 5 years, took on this challenge with enthusiasm and expertise. Mary Cornetta, the founder of Sort and Suite Incorporated, a professional organizing company based on Long Island, has worked with hundreds of clients to clear their clutter and create functional systems in their homes. Recently, she relocated to Savannah, but continues to operate her business with the help of a talented team. Mary's insights have been featured in Better Homes and Gardens, House Digest, and she has been interviewed by Martha Stewart Living, Real Simple, and Health magazines. So what did Mary manage to buy with her $25 budget? Let us dive into her picks. First on her list is the VARDAGEN Jar with lid, priced at only $7.99. Mary loves glass-lidded jars for their versatility. While they are perfect for decanted food items like bow tie pasta and rolled oats, they can also be used for non-food items. Think sewing thread spools, wool dryer balls, Epsom bath salts, and more. Mary is currently using this size to store Nespresso pods, her dog's dental treats, and backstock toiletries for guests. However, if you have little ones at home, remember to place this glass jar out of their reach, as it weighs over 2 pounds when empty and can shatter if dropped. Next, we have the TJENA Magazine File, a steal at just $3.99 for a pack of 2. Mary, being a professional organizer, has sourced countless office organizers, and these are some of the least expensive she has come across. She loves their minimalist design, which also comes in a marbled lilac version if that is more your style. The cutout opening makes it easy to pull these from a high shelf. They are perfect for hiding the visual clutter of backstock printer paper, manila folders, letter-size mailers, and more in your workspace. The third item on Mary's list is the KRALLIG Basket, priced at $9.99. IKEA sells several eco-friendly products made of renewable materials like water hyacinth, jute, and rattan. And this new basket is hand-woven with sedge, a type of grass. It is designed to be used with either the handles turned upright or turned down, so you can see the things inside peeking out. If you want to conceal your stuff and keep the living room clutter-free, leave the handles up after stashing away pet toys, cord clutter, and extra blankets. Finally, Mary picked up the HAVREKROSS Wall Organizer Hooks, a simple steel organizer priced at just $1.49. As someone with ADHD, Mary has created landing zones in her apartment for essentials to ensure they never go missing. A wall-mounted organizer by the front door is her first suggestion for anyone struggling with lost keys or sunglasses. This particular organizer includes 4 hooks plus a small shelf and is magnetic, so you can leave yourself little reminder notes. It comes in a discreet gray-beige color, but there is also a bright yellow version if you need a more obvious reminder to grab your things on your way out. Altogether, Mary's total came to $23.46, $1.54 under budget before taxes. She has shown us that with a little creativity and a keen eye for bargains, you can find excellent organizing solutions without spending a fortune. I am aging myself here, but I have discovered a lot via my dad over the last almost 3 decades. My favorite band, my morning jacket, the perfect margarita recipe, and an appreciation for good art, rugs, and antiques. My dad has a keen eye for design and is perpetually decorating our family house in Kentucky with some newly acquired paintings or vintage chairs, much to my mom's chagrin. As I have furnished my so-called adult apartments, he has essentially doubled as my built-in interior consultant, too. I hold my dad's design opinions of my own home in high regard, but he does not get a chance to visit New York often. Hey, do you like this couch? Conversations have transpired over text or FaceTime. Both my parents were in town this past fall, though, and it was my dad's first time seeing my current apartment in real life. By that point, I desperately needed his expertise on where to style a pile of art prints I had collected, and he came fully prepared to put on his proverbial decorating hat, nails, and hammer at the ready, which, yes, he packed in his checked bag. I did know exactly where I wanted to put a pair of prints we had picked out together at an antique store in my hometown. My living room has a window cut out above my sofa that opens up into the kitchen, so I had planned to stack them in a row on the sliver of open wall space to the right of this. I already had a woven side table with a tall CB2 lamp styled on the floor next to my couch, which the matching art would look perfect above. My dad started to work his art hanging magic and held up both frames against the wall so I could visualize the right height. But before he started nailing, he asked me to do one step I had genuinely never thought of for hanging art in my apartment, turning on my table lamp below. While still holding the two frames against the wall, my dad wanted to see how high up the light would project. Then he hung and leveled the pair accordingly so that the glow from the bulb hit both prints in the perfect sweet spot. It is so simple, but something that would not have crossed my mind if I had been hanging the wall art up myself. To be honest, I am lucky if everything looks aligned, let alone has a spotlight emphasizing the right points. This trick works not only for table lamps, but also floor lamps and sconces, or even pendants and picture lights. Flip them on before installing any wall art in close proximity to see how they can play up each piece. My dad fortunately visited on a gloomy, rainy afternoon when we could easily see the light bulbs reach during the day, but you may also want to try this out at night to get the full effect, or even just a sneak peek of the ambiance. I love turning on just my one table lamp to illuminate two of my favorite decor finds, which also look just as prominent on their own in the daylight. The next time you are mapping out a gallery wall or trying to decide where to put a cute Etsy print, do not forget this simple dad-approved styling trick before nailing any holes in the wall. Next up, we have something that will add a touch of elegance and warmth to your dining table. Adding candles to your dining table can take a dinner party from basic to beautiful. The candlelight just adds that perfect amount of warm ambiance to make the gathering feel a bit more intimate and special. And right now, you can grab colorful glass taper candle holders from Target that will take your dining table display from good to great. Spotted by Target, does it again on Instagram. These pretty glass jewel-toned candlesticks are available in the Target home decor section and come in 3 different colors and designs that look just as excellent grouped together as they do by themselves or in pairs. And the best part is that these candlesticks start at just $8 each. Because they are made with actual blown glass, people are saying that they look and feel so much more expensive than they actually are. The reviewers on Target's website compare them to pieces you would find at more high-end home decor stores. One of the designs is the round modern glass taper holder in green, priced at $10. A Target shopper mentioned that this candle holder is compatible with the threshold taper candles and noted that the color is more of a purple-brown rather than a pink color. Overall, they highly recommend it. Another design is the small modern glass taper holder in pink, priced at $8. A Target shopper wrote that they love the shape and color and that it is a great addition to their collection. Lastly, we have the tall modern glass taper holder in blue, priced at $12. Another customer expressed their love for the shape and color, saying it is a wonderful addition to their decor. These glass taper holders would be gorgeous on your dining table, beautiful on your mantle, and they would even look great grouped together on your coffee table during a cozy movie night. You will find endless ways to display these candlesticks, and at $12 and under, grabbing one or all three is a no-brainer. Pick up some matching taper candles, and you are ready to entertain. Well, that is it for today's episode of Daily Interior Design Inspo. I hope you found these tips and products as inspiring as I did. Remember, you do not have to spend a fortune to make your home look stylish and welcoming. Join me again tomorrow for more affordable and chic interior design ideas. Until then, happy decorating.